Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. We're going to be talking about the KiiBOOM Sprout Picnic Keycap Set 144 Keys MOA Profile 5-Side Dye-Sublimation PBT for 60%/65%/75%/TKL/full-sized gaming keyboard. Now, I know a lot of you have been struggling to find a product that actually delivers on its promises. You spend your hard-earned money, you wait for it to arrive, and then it turns out to be nothing like what was advertised. Sound familiar? Well, that's exactly why I want to introduce you to this KiiBOOM Sprout Picnic Keycap Set 144 Keys MOA Profile 5-Side Dye-Sublimation PBT for 60%/65%/75%/TKL/full-sized gaming keyboard. This product is designed to solve that exact problem. It's built with premium quality materials, it works exactly as described, and it's made to last. And here's the best part, right now, there's a special discount available. You can get it for just US $33.59, which is an incredible deal compared to similar products out there. The reviews speak for themselves, thousands of buyers have given it top ratings, and it's already been shipped to customers in over 50 countries around the world. People are loving it everywhere, from the United States to Europe, Asia, and beyond. So if you're interested, click the link in the description below to grab yours now before this deal expires. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.